What exactly are we doing anyway?
2 days ago, my team embarked on a mission. Today, I'm gonna finish it.
My brother's a loon! I love him, but he's cake! Did I tell you I love cake? Oh, I've heard of places like this. They sell something called layer cake. It's not just one cake, it's many, in layers, often up to 6. Oh, it is the holy grail of human food.
I can't believe you're getting so excited about cake. Coffee maker! That's the same coffee maker that was on the Clusterstorm file. Early, I gotta check out that coffee maker. Stay close.
Oh, 50 billion rodents in the world might get stuck with this guy.
Whoa.
I hope you're keeping track of all these parts.
Don't watch me. Watch my back. Right now, you're my eyes and ears. Just act natural.
Okay, sure.
Look, Daddy.
Hi there. Hi. That wasn't very convincing.
Hurley, do you know what this is?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's called vandalism.
It's military-grade multiple-array transceiver developed for the military's unmanned weapons program.
Sorry, I just tuned out there. What were you saying?
I gotta get this chip back to Ben's. Okay, that's weird. Hurley! Duck! Stay down!
Whoa! I've heard coffee's bad for you, but this is ridiculous!
Come on, move it!
Why are we stopping?
We're gonna fight it.
We're gonna do what?
We have to get that chip. Whoa!
Good luck with that. Uh-oh.
Suck in your gut!
I am! Darwin!
Hang on, Hurley! Yippee-ki-yay, coffee maker!
Watch out, bro!
You want some of this, you overgrown can opener? Don't think the warranty's gonna cover that.
Oh, brother. Oh, I thought I lost you there.
Okay, thanks, Hurley. Boundaries.
Talk about a killer cappuccino. What is this thing?
This is Clusterstorm. Saber must be weaponizing his entire line of appliances. Come on, we have to get this back to Ben's.
How are we gonna do that? Hey, bro, you have to admit, we make a pretty sweet team. You know, I could get used to all this secret agent stuff if you're ever looking for a new recruit.
Hurley, just be quiet and lean right.